Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can save images from Safari to the photo gallery on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the Safari web browser. Now go to the website that has the image that you want to download. Next, touch and hold on the image. From the pop-up, you want to scroll down. In here, tap on Save to Photos. This will allow you to download the image to your Photos app. In here, on the home screen, tap on the Photos app, and then tap on Albums. In Albums, tap on Recents, and here you'll be able to find the recent image that you have downloaded from the Safari browser. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.